Hey, it's Daniel with Casey Splash. I wanted to show you our new software system. Here's a test spot we did. So, just spraying the chemical, we've already removed a lot of the algae and mold on here. So I'm gonna finish this rest of the shed, and you can see probably instant results from this. So, just give it a good lather. And it should slowly, it will slowly just start disappearing. So right now it was much worse, and now it's, give it a second and maybe a minute or two and it'll start getting better. And so we use a sodium hypochlorite mix with soap and water, and it'll start removing all algae growth on a house. We've already let our chemicals sit for about five minutes. And now we're just gotta rinse it off. You know, there's some dirt that's just more stubborn. So we're just gonna give it a quick rinse. Alrighty, so that's pretty much done. We may need to take another hit to the wall, so we'll do another coat of that. You know, there's some stuff maybe we missed or whatever, but then you can tell the difference with this brand new clean wall. Before it had a lot of algae on it. Now there's none on it right now. Looks good as new. All right, thank you for watching and have a good day.